Clear delivery, Eva 192. Our parking position is Terminal 1, Gate 6, with the ATC request clearance.
Eva 192. ATC clearance to Romeo Juliet Tango Tango via the Mike Oscar Lima Kilo 1 Golf departure runway 10 and then as filed climb to 10,000. Expect flight level 390 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 119.7. Squawk 1744. QNH 1013.
Cleared to RJTT via the MOL Kilo 1 Golf runway 10. Climb into 10,000. Expect flight level 390 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure
Pre-flight
frequency
checklist.
119.7.
May we
Squawk
remind you that all seat
1744.
backs and
QNH
tray tables need to be in the
1013.
upright
Eva
position.
192.
Eva
All carry-on items
192.
brought on board
Feedback
must
correct.
be
Contact
securely
ground on
stowed either under the seat in front of
121.9.
you or in an overhead
Roger,
bin.
121.9.
Prior to
Eva
pushback from the
192.
gate, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Personal cellular telephones may be used while parked at the gate with the main cabin door open. We will advise you when they must be turned on. For customers seated in a row of seats identified by the words, "No children this row," please review the white safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. The use of some portable electronic devices is prohibited while on board the aircraft. Once airborne, you will be advised when the use of approved devices such as personal computers and compact disc players is permitted. A complete list of approved devices can be found
Hello,
in the
Captain. We are
magazine.
ready for pushback. Departure checks completed. Bypass pin inserted.
This way. Boarding pass, please. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. Hello. Boarding pass, please. This way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just closed the main cabin door. All personal cellular telephones must be turned off and stowed for the duration of the flight. Flight attendants, prepare doors for departure, cross-check, and verify straps.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you aboard this flight on the Dreamliner. At this time, I'd like to direct your attention to the flight attendants while we review safety information about the 787. Your seatbelt should be fastened at this time. It is our policy that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated. The 8 exits on the 787 are marked with the exit sign. Please locate the 2 exits nearest you, keeping in mind the nearest exits may be behind you. This aircraft has escape path lighting. A change in color or an exit sign will indicate you have reached an exit. Should oxygen be needed, masks will appear from the compartment above your seat. If you're traveling with someone needing assistance, put on your mask first and then offer assistance. Your life vest is located in a container beneath or in some cases between your seat. If needed, inflate the vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling the red tab on the front vest. A safety information card with more detailed instructions regarding this aircraft is in your seat pocket. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is not allowed in the cabin or laboratories. All laboratories are equipped with smoke detection systems, and federal law prohibits tampering.
Before start check,
ladies
and gentlemen, from the flight deck, this is your captain. We'd
As
like
we
to
get
add
ready
our
to
welcome
take off,
aboard
please
today's
help us
flight.
prepare the
We're
cabin
just
by making
finishing up
sure
our
all
last minute
carry-on
paperwork,
baggage
and
is
once we've done
stowed, all
that,
seat backs
we'll
and
push
tray
back.
tables
We're
are
estimating an
upright,
on-time
headrests are
departure.
lowered, and
In the
footrests
cabin
and
today
video
are some of
monitors
our
are
finest
stowed.
flight attendants who are
Customers are
there
required to
for your
observe all
comfort, but
posted
most of
and
all
lighted
for your
information
safety,
signs
so
and
we ask that
adheres
you give
to
them
crew
undivided
members'
attention whenever
Thank you for
requested.
choosing to fly
Once
with
again,
us.
thanks for
We'll be
flying
very
with us.
short.
Sit back and relax, and I'll update you on our progress once we're aboard.
Alright, it'll be a left seat takeoff. Taxi route is per ATC instructions. Standard reject procedures. Will depart via the SID, climb to initial altitude. In the event of an emergency return, we'll coordinate with ATC. You'll fly the airplane out on the checklist and coordinate with the air traffic control company and the flight attendants. Any questions?
Ground Eva 1902. Request start up and pushback.
Eva 1902. Start up and pushback approved.
Approved. Eva 1902.
Locking gear. Release parking brakes, please. Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at will.
Ground to flight deck.
Go ahead from cockpit.
Cleared to start engines.
Roger. Clear to start engines.
Start both engines.
Okay, starting engines.
Ground Eva 192, request taxi.
Eva 192, taxi via Echo to runway 28.
Via Echo to runway 28. Eva 192.
Before taxi checklist.
Please set parking brakes. Waiting your confirmation for a good engine start.
Cockpit to ground. We have a good engine start. You can disconnect.
Unlocking gear. Tow truck disconnected. Bypass pin removed. Left is clear. Right is clear.
Ground Eva 192, request taxi.
Eva 192, taxi via Charlie Charlie Whiskey to runway 10.
Via Charlie Charlie Whiskey to runway 10, Eva 192.
We ask that you direct your attention to the floor and of each cabin, to the TV monitors for a brief important safety message about our the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, we request that your stereo lines take the safe so we can have an on-time departure. For those passengers seated in a designated exit row, you may be called upon to open that exit in the event of emergency. Please refer to the safety briefing card of the exit row information card located in the seatbelt pocket to ensure you meet the exit row criteria and understand the information. After carefully reviewing this card, if you believe you could be injured, do not wish to or cannot perform the functions listed, please notify a flight attendant. At this time, we also request that you store your electronic devices until we are above 10,000 feet. I will notify you that it's safe to bring these items out for use. If there's any question as to what device you can use on board today, please refer to the What's for Work section of your My magazine. Thank you for your attention.
Before takeoff checklist.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
Eva 192, contact tower on 126.3.
126.3, Eva 192. Tower, Eva 192. Hold it short, runway 10, request departure.
Eva 192, hold your position.
Hold in our position, Eva 192.
Eva 192, line up runway 10.
Lining up runway 10, Eva 192.
Runway verified.
Eva 192, wind 360 at 0, runway 10 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 10 cleared for takeoff, Eva 192.
Check thrust.
Thrust set. 80 knots.
Checked.
B1. Rotate. B2. Positive rate. Gear up.
Eva 192, contact departure on 119.7.
119.7, Eva 192.
Traffic.
Departure Eva 192, passing 1,200 for 10,000.
Eva 192, radar contact. Continue via the Mike Oscar Lima Kilo 1 Golf departure route. Climb to 10,000.
Via the MOL Kilo 1 Golf departure, climbing to 10,000, Eva 192.
Autopilot on.
Autopilot in command.
departure 781, passing 800 for 5,000.
781, identified, climb to 5,000.
Climbing 5,000, 781.
With our flight underway, I'd like to once again welcome you aboard. I'd also like to offer a special welcome to our
701, passing 700 for 5,000.
Dynasty 701, identified, climb to 5,000.
Climbing to 5,000, Dynasty 701.
Beverage service will go first class. In coach, beer, wine, and margaritas can approach you with a debit and credit. We apologize if we do not accept cash. In-flight entertainment available on this aircraft includes audio, video, on demand, as well as
After takeoff
all
checklist.
included free of charge. The flight attendant will be coming through the aisles with complimentary exit. Now we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Eva 192, cleared direct to Romeo Oscar Bravo India November, intersection, turn left heading 055, climb and maintain flight level 250.
Cleared ROEIN intersection, left turn heading 055, climb and maintain flight level 250, Eva 192.
Eva 192, turn to heading 050.
Present altitude, Lima 869.
Ladies and gentlemen, please check that your seatbelt is securely fastened. To prepare for landing, it will be necessary to collect all service items, as well as any other items you wish to discard, such as newspapers.
Request descent Eva 1902.
Sky, flight, extract line, flight level 300. Expedite climb to flight level 300. New Sky 55.
Eva 192. Descend to flight level 380. Descending to flight level 380. Eva 192.
Eva 192, cleared ILS, Yankee approach runway 34 left transition, Kilo Alpha India, Hotel Oscar.
ILS Yankee approach, runway 34 left, transition KAI Hotel Oscar Eva 192.
Eva 192, descend to 2,500.
Descending to 2,500 Eva 192.
All Nippon 753, maintain present altitude.
Present altitude, all Nippon 753.
All Nippon 634, descend to flight level 160.
Descending to flight level 160, only pilot 634.
155, maintain present altitude.
Present altitude 155.
All Nippon 534, descend to flight level 160.
Descending to flight level 160, all Nippon 534.
Say again. Eva 192.
Eva 192, descend to 2,500.
Descending to 1,500 Eva 192.
Eva 192, cleared to intercept the final tower. Frequency is 118.8.
Final approach speed tower 118.8 Eva 192.
14, maintain present altitude.
Maintain present altitude 14.
All Nippon 753, climb to 2,000.
Climbing to 2,000, all Nippon 753.
Tower Eva 192. On
Ladies
final,
and gentlemen,
runway 34 left.
preparation for landing. Please return all seatbelts and final approach speed, QNH 1013, ensure all portable electronic devices are turned off,
Final
and
approach
stow
speed,
all
QNH
carry-on items.
1013. Clear to land runway 34
Footrest
left,
and video
Eva
monitors must be
192.
returned to their original position. Thank you.
Flight attendants, please be seated for arrival.
Tower 14, land final for runway 34 right.
14, clear to land runway 34 right, QNH 1013.
Clear to land runway 34 right, QNH 1013.
departure.
All Nippon 837. Line up runway 34 right.
Lining up runway
Landing
34
checklist.
right. ANA 837.
Land 3.
All Nippon 837. Wind 360 at 0. Runway 34 right. Cleared for takeoff. Good day.
Cleared for takeoff. Runway 34 right. ANA 837.
Say again. Eva 192.
Eva 192. Slow to final approach speed. QNH 1013. Cleared to land runway 34 left.
Final approach speed. QNH 1013. Clear to land runway 34 left. Eva 192.
1000.
Tower, all Nippon 244 on final, requesting landing runway 34 left.
All Nippon 244. Cleared to land runway 34 left. QNH 1013.
Clear to land runway 34 left, QNH 1013, all Nippon 244.
Tower 114, holding short of runway 34 left. Ready for departure.
114. Hold your position.
Holding our position. 114.
500.
Tower, all Nippon 534 on final, requesting landing runway 34 left.
All Nippon 534. Cleared to land runway 34 left. QNH 1013.
Clear to land runway 34 left, QNH 1013, all Nippon 534.
300. Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Tower, Japan Air 432. On final, request landing, runway 34 left.
Japan Air 432.
100.
Cleared to land runway 34 left. QNH 1013.
Clear land runway 34
20.
left, QNH
10.
1013. Japan Air 432.
Tower, call me 5634. On final request landing clearance. Runway 34 left.
All Nippon 634. Cleared to land runway 34 left. QNH 1013.
Clear to land runway 34 left. QNH 1013. Call me 5634.
Eva 192. Gate is left. Contact ground control on 121.907.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be taxiing for the next 2 minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please remember to check around your seating area, in the seat pockets, and overhead bins
Ground,
for all
Eva
personal belongings
192.
that you
Cleared
brought
off
on
the runway.
board.
Request taxi for
Please take
parking.
care when opening the overhead bins, as the contents may shift
Victor,
to
to Terminal 1, Gate 109.
Via Lima 7 Victor to Terminal 1 Gate 109 at Eva 192.
China Southern 648, request taxi. China Southern 648, taxi by Echo 7 Charlie Echo Charlie 1 to runway 34 right via Echo 7 Charlie Echo Charlie 1 to runway 34 right. China Southern 648. Japan Air 233, request taxi. Japan Air 233, taxi via Whiskey Alpha 1 to runway 34 left, via Whiskey Alpha 1 to runway 34 left, Japan Air 233.
All Nippon 102. Request taxi.
All Nippon 102. Taxi via Echo Charlie 1 to runway 34 right.
Via Echo Charlie 1 to runway 34 right. All Nippon 102.
Ground, Japan Air 432 is cleared of the runway. Request taxi to parking.
Japan Air 432. Taxi via Alpha 6 Whiskey Tango 9 Tango November to parking position North 13.
Via Alpha 6 Whiskey Tango 9 Tango November to parking position North 13 Japan Air 432.